Sorry, my camera. About my camera. It's not full throttle that. Oh, bit of a crash. Yeah, the wheels are a lot better. I've got a lot more grip. I suppose the ones that come with it, they're alright for road, they're nice and soft. These are a bit tougher. Something's not broke. That's it, they're a beast. Take that grass off it, check the dog bones on, then they are a weak point. It's fine. It's hard to film and drive. I don't know how you guys do it. I don't even know if I'm getting the car in off of this. Loving the new wheels. There's Robert Arctic RC. Definitely get a pair of these, mate. Servo is rubbish in it still. Ride that wheelie more, the wheels are a bit bigger. So getting that much grip now, I can't get the full throttle out anymore, so I don't know how bad these bloom. So I'm getting a lot more grip, so I'm going a lot faster. Try to destroy these molehills. But it's nowhere near ballooning like the last pair. Make sure there's no moles in it. It's a fresh one. I love this thing. I've not dropped the new servo in it yet because it's still a new car to me. I want to, it is bad, I know it's bad, but I want to see a massive improvement when I put it in. So like a couple more weeks and I'll drop it in. Like I said, I've got the ESC as well, but I want to feel it stock, then put them upgrades I've got in it and feel the improvements. There's not really nothing to do to this car out of the box anyway, it's brilliant. Just the way you want it to look. It's a beast. See if I can get full throttle. Caught. Brakes a lot better now. I've only come out with one battery today. I'm going to smash around in the grass today. 5 minutes. I'm going to check see how tight these wheels are. Plan on coming down here tomorrow. There's like a massive runway behind me. Use the top speed on it. I'm going to come down tomorrow and get a road bash. Don't think the wheels are going to be as good on the road as they are on the grass and off-road and that, but I don't really want it for road. Right, nice one. Like and subscribe.